Welcome to BPO and Beyond, financial freedom for BPO employees in the Philippines. BPO and Beyond podcast helps us empower Filipino BPO professionals to achieve financial freedom through career advancement, smart investing, and entrepreneurship. We deliver actionable strategies tailored to your unique challenges and opportunities. Stop dreaming about financial independence. Start building it. Your promotion, your future, your freedom.
Episode 8, AI in the BPO industry, threat or golden opportunity for early adopters? Welcome back to Career Compass, the podcast that helps BPO professionals and ambitious workers navigate their career journey towards success and financial freedom. I'm your host, and today we're tackling one of the most urgent questions facing our industry. Is AI a threat to BPO careers, or is it actually a golden opportunity for those who adapt early? If you've been losing sleep wondering whether artificial intelligence will replace your job, or if you're curious about how to position yourself for success in an AI-driven future, this episode will give you the clarity and action plan you need. Let me start with a conversation I had last week with April, a quality assurance specialist who's been with her BPO company for 5 years. "I'm terrified," she told me. "Every day I read about new AI tools that can do what we do but faster and cheaper. My company just announced they're piloting an AI chatbot for basic customer inquiries. Am I going to be replaced? Should I start looking for a different career?" April's fears are completely understandable and shared by millions of BPO professionals worldwide. But here's what I told her and what I want to share with you today. AI isn't just a threat to be feared. It's the biggest career opportunity the BPO industry has seen in decades, but only for those who understand how to leverage it. Professionals who thrive in the next 5 years won't be those who resist AI or pretend it doesn't exist. They'll be the ones who learn to work alongside AI, who develop AI-enhanced skills, and who position themselves as the bridge between technology and human insight. Today, we're going to explore exactly how to become one of those professionals. Before we dive into strategies, let's get realistic about what's actually happening in the BPO industry. Yes, AI is automating certain tasks. Chatbots are handling basic customer inquiries. AI is processing simple data entry tasks. Automated systems are routing calls and emails more efficiently. But here's what the headlines don't tell you. For every task that AI automates, it's creating new opportunities for humans to do higher-value work. The BPO industry isn't shrinking because of AI, it's evolving. And evolution creates winners and losers based on who adapts fastest. Companies that are implementing AI aren't necessarily laying off workers. They're retraining them for more complex, strategic roles. They're promoting people who can work effectively with AI tools. They're creating entirely new positions that didn't exist 5 years ago. Question isn't whether AI will change the BPO industry. It already has. Question is, will you be a victim of that change or will you be a beneficiary? Strategy number 1, become AI literate, not AI resistant. The first step to thriving in an AI-enhanced BPO environment is to understand what AI can and cannot do. Too many professionals are either completely ignoring AI or assuming it's some magical technology that will replace all human work. The reality is much more nuanced. AI excels at pattern recognition, data processing, and handling routine, rule-based tasks. But it struggles with complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, creative thinking, and situations that require human judgment and empathy. Start by learning about the AI tools that are already being used in your industry. If you're in customer service, explore how chatbots work and what types of inquiries they handle well versus poorly. If you're in data analysis, understand how AI can process large data sets and what insights still require human interpretation. The goal isn't to become a programmer or AI engineer. It's to become fluent enough in AI capabilities that you can identify opportunities to work with these tools rather than compete against them. Strategy number 2, develop AI complementary skills. Instead of focusing on tasks that AI might automate, invest your time in developing skills that complement AI capabilities. These are the skills that become more valuable, not less valuable, in an AI-enhanced workplace. Complex problem solving. While AI can identify patterns, humans are still needed to interpret those patterns, understand context, and develop creative solutions to complex problems. Emotional intelligence and empathy. AI can process language, but it can't truly understand human emotions, cultural nuances, or the subtle communication needs of frustrated or upset customers. Strategic thinking. AI can provide data and analysis, but humans are needed to make strategic decisions based on that information, considering factors like company culture, long-term goals, and ethical implications. Cross-functional collaboration. As AI handles more routine tasks, human workers increasingly need to collaborate across departments, manage projects, and coordinate between technical and non-technical teams. Training and change management. Someone needs to train other employees on new AI tools, manage the transition to AI-enhanced processes, and help teams adapt to new ways of working. Strategy number 3. Position yourself as an AI-human bridge. One of the most valuable roles in an AI-enhanced workplace is the person who can effectively bridge the gap between AI capabilities and human needs. These professionals understand both what AI can do and what humans need, and they help organizations implement AI in ways that enhance rather than replace human capabilities. In practical terms, this might mean becoming the person who tests new AI tools and provides feedback on their effectiveness, trains colleagues on how to use AI tools efficiently, identifies which customer issues should be handled by AI versus humans. It develops processes that combine AI efficiency with human insight, analyzes AI-generated data, and translates it into actionable business insights. For example, if your company implements an AI chatbot, you could become the specialist who monitors its performance, identifies common issues it can't handle, and develops escalation procedures that ensure customers get the right level of human support when needed. Strategy number 4. Specialize in high-touch, high-value services. As AI handles more routine tasks, there's increasing demand for professionals who can provide high-touch, high-value services that require human expertise. These are the services that clients are willing to pay premium rates for because they require human judgment, creativity, and relationship-building skills. In the BPO industry, this might include relationship management, building and maintaining long-term client relationships that require trust, understanding, and strategic partnership. Consultative services, providing expert advice and recommendations based on deep industry knowledge and understanding of client needs. Crisis management, handling complex, sensitive situations that require human judgment, empathy, and creative problem-solving. Custom solutions development, creating tailored solutions for unique client challenges that can't be addressed by standard AI-driven processes. Quality assurance and optimization, ensuring that AI-enhanced processes are delivering the desired outcomes and continuously improving them based on human insight. Strategy number 5. Develop data analysis and interpretation skills. AI generates enormous amounts of data, but that data is only valuable if someone can interpret it and turn it into actionable insights. This creates huge opportunities for BPO professionals who can bridge the gap between raw data and business strategy. You don't need to become a data scientist, but developing basic data analysis skills can significantly increase your value in an AI-enhanced workplace. This includes understanding how to read and interpret AI-generated reports, identifying trends and patterns in customer behavior data, translating data insights into practical business recommendations, understanding the limitations and potential biases in AI-generated data, communicating data insights to non-technical stakeholders. Many of these skills can be developed through online courses, and they're increasingly in demand across all areas of the BPO industry. Strategy number 6. Embrace continuous learning and adaptation. Pace of AI development means that the tools and capabilities available today will be dramatically different from what's available in 2 or 3 years. Professionals who thrive will be those who embrace continuous learning and stay ahead of these changes. This doesn't mean you need to constantly chase every new technology trend. Instead, focus on developing a learning mindset and staying informed about developments that are relevant to your specific role and industry. Set aside time each week to read about AI developments in the BPO industry. Follow thought leaders and companies that are pioneering AI implementation in your field. Participate in webinars, online courses, or industry conferences that focus on AI and the future of work. Most importantly, volunteer for pilot programs and new initiatives at your current company. When your organization announces they're testing a new AI tool or implementing an AI-enhanced process, be among the first to volunteer. This gives you hands-on experience with emerging technologies and positions you as someone who embraces change rather than resists it. Strategy number 7. Build your personal brand as an AI-forward professional. As AI becomes more prevalent in the BPO industry, there will be increasing demand for professionals who are known for their ability to work effectively with AI tools and lead AI implementation initiatives. Start building your reputation as someone who understands and embraces AI. Share insights about AI developments on LinkedIn. Write about your experiences working with AI tools. Speak at industry events about AI implementation best practices. This doesn't require you to be an AI expert from day one. You can start by sharing your learning journey, discussing challenges and successes with AI tools, and providing practical insights for other professionals who are navigating similar changes. Building this reputation will make you more attractive to employers who are looking for leaders to guide their AI transformation initiatives. Let me share a success story that illustrates how these strategies work in practice. Remember April, the quality assurance specialist I mentioned at the beginning? Instead of letting fear paralyze her, she decided to take action. First, April volunteered to be part of her company's AI chatbot pilot program. Instead of seeing this as a threat to her job, she positioned herself as someone who could help make the implementation successful. April spent time understanding how the chatbot worked, what types of inquiries it handled well, and where it struggled. She developed training materials to help customer service representatives work effectively alongside the chatbot, and she created escalation procedures for complex issues that required human intervention. When the pilot was successful, April was promoted to a new role, AI implementation specialist. Her job now involves testing new AI tools, training teams on AI-enhanced processes, and ensuring that AI implementations improve rather than compromise customer experience. April's salary increased by 40%, and she's now considered a subject matter expert in AI implementation within her company. More importantly, she's no longer worried about being replaced by AI. She's become indispensable because of her ability to work with AI. The key to April's success was that she didn't wait for change to happen to her. She actively engaged with the change and positioned herself as part of the solution. Now let's address some common concerns and misconceptions about AI in the BPO industry. AI will eventually replace all BPO jobs. This is simply not true. While AI will automate certain tasks, it's also creating new types of work and increasing demand for human skills that complement AI capabilities. The BPO industry is growing, not shrinking, as companies recognize the value of combining AI efficiency with human insight. I'm too old to learn about AI. Age is not a barrier to learning about AI, especially at the level needed for most BPO roles. You don't need to become a programmer or understand complex algorithms. You need to understand how AI tools work and how to use them effectively in your job. My company isn't using AI yet, so I don't need to worry about it. If your company isn't using AI yet, they will be soon. Companies that are slow to adopt AI will find themselves at a competitive disadvantage, which could put your job at greater risk than if you were at a company that's proactively implementing AI. AI tools are too expensive for most BPO companies. AI tools are becoming more affordable and accessible every year. Many AI capabilities that required significant investment just a few years ago are now available as affordable software-as-a-service solutions. I don't have time to learn about AI while doing my current job. You don't need to become an AI expert overnight. Start with just 30 minutes per week reading about AI developments in your industry. Look for ways to incorporate AI learning into your existing professional development activities. As we wrap up today's episode, I want to leave you with this perspective. AI is not something that's happening to the BPO industry. It's something that's happening with the BPO industry. Professionals who understand this distinction will be the ones who thrive in the coming years. The future belongs to professionals who can combine the efficiency and analytical power of AI with uniquely human capabilities like empathy, creativity, strategic thinking, and relationship building. This isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together to deliver better outcomes than either could achieve alone. Start taking action today. Learn about the AI tools that are relevant to your role. Volunteer for AI-related projects at your company. Develop the complementary skills that will make you more valuable in an AI-enhanced workplace. Most importantly, shift your mindset from fear to opportunity. Instead of asking, "Will AI replace my job?" ask, "How can I use AI to become better at my job?" Instead of worrying about what AI might take away, focus on what AI can help you achieve. The BPO professionals who embrace this mindset and take proactive steps to adapt will find themselves with more opportunities, higher compensation, and greater job security than ever before. That's all for today's episode of Career Compass. If you're working on developing AI-related skills or have questions about positioning yourself for success in an AI-enhanced BPO industry, I'd love to hear from you. Send me a message with your experiences, challenges, or questions about AI and the future of BPO work. Next week, we'll be exploring another crucial career topic based on your feedback and the rapidly evolving professional landscape. Until then, remember, the future doesn't happen to you, you create it through the choices you make today. Choose to be an early adopter, choose to be a lifelong learner, and choose to see AI as the career accelerator it can be. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next week.